O, veliki pozdrav ćemo ljudi, dobrodošli u moj novi video. U ovom videu danas ćemo reagirati na glupe celebritije i nekim njihovim glupim momentima. Tako da, ostavite like, subscribe-ujte se, postanite dio Kikirikića, najjače familije na Balkanu, jesmo u ovom, ali dobro nema veze. Da, i ajmo doći do 5 lajkova ako želite da sredim sobu. Znači, soba mi je katastrofa. Pa da, pošto sam u karantinu. Ali dobro, znači, ako želite da sredim sobu, znači 5 lajkova i da, to ću da snimim. Tako da, ajmo da uđemo mi u ovaj video. Tako da, full screen. I sad ćemo čekat 2 sata, gana naj. Dobro bilo. Evo, ajmo da vidim.
And now,
Nicki Minaj.
this bitch that had a lot to say about me the other day in the press. Miley, what's good?
Hey, we're all in this industry. We all do interviews, and we all know how they manipulate. Nicki, congratulations. And just because the VMAs have already started, doesn't mean that the voting is done.
You're 5
got
hours
Snoop
late
Dogg.
here. And
Man, shut the fuck up. Come on, man.
no, we just saw you on Twitter from the
I don't
border.
about I'm 5 hours late. Nigga, I'm here. Nigga, be happy I'm here and ask some real questions.
Yeah, I was just wondering why you were so late, and I saw you were twittering about you being stopped at the border.
I was late because I went to go get some chicken wings. That's why I was late.
I heard that you have a snap card trick that you learned or something.
Sure, yeah. Brought a card.
A lot of cards.
Do you know the comedian Carrot Top?
Yes, horrible.
Yeah, znaju svi mi.
You were like the Carrot Top of interviewers.
Ooh.
Yeah. No, and it's a good thing. It's
I'm
a
gonna
good
go
thing.
cry now.
No, don't cry now. Cry after the interview's over. Because otherwise I'll look like I'm responsible for it. Okay, so well, I don't want to know that though.
Okay,
Okay,
well,
so
you know.
I said your name into camera. What else do you want from me?
A magic trick.
Okay. All right.
So we can wrap this up.
Hey, you're on my time.
Can I just have you say my name into the camera?
Just the word Romina.
Well, my name, not a word.
And what's gonna happen to it?
We'll skip it.
I'll do the thing.
We'll skip it.
But I just wanted to know like what to give it.
Like if we just broke up.
I probably wouldn't say anything then.
You're trying to find me in a crowded place.
Oh, okay. Romina.
That's it? I would never hear you.
The thing is, I actually didn't want to find you. I was actually hoping to stay alone.
Such a genius.
The only intelligent
Will
creature
Smith.
in the universe, especially since we're not.
Oh my God, a dream. There you go. There you go. Oh man, what the hell is your problem, buddy?
Šta bu to na...
There you go.
Znači prvo ga baca za grli i onda kako. Oj, sad će mi bude what the fuck. What the fuck. Ovo moram ponovno. Da vidim
Oh my
ponovno.
God, a dream. There you go.
Prvo ga ovako ljubi i onda ga... Vidi ga.
But few celebrity appearances get as physical as when Burt Reynolds was on The Tonight Show with then Nickelodeon host Mark Summers.
It was the time where his financial situation was not good. Lonnie Anderson and he were divorcing.
From the beginnings, Burt seemed to be looking for trouble.
I just say that because your back is to me, and I was just talking to a back. Good morning.
I'm still married, as a matter of fact.
Yes, well, you.
What? Oh! Šta mu napravim?
Yes, well, you.
Kaže mu baca da je oženjeni ovaj stan, da se je prolio van.
But things got worse when Mark tried to get Burt back.
Šta? Ovo bi sad treba da
Got worse
probam.
when Mark tried to get Burt
I onda
back.
je on htio, nope, sad. Ajde više spori.
But things got worse when
I onda je ovaj pokušao da njega
tried to get
zalije,
Burt back.
ali ovaj, nope, ne.
I thought he had knocked my tooth out. I had no idea what was going on.
Eventually, Mark did get revenge.
There we go. They stood up. Absolutely stood up because they were not happy with him that night. They thought he was mistreating me.
It all ended with a pie fight.
Oni su se mogli ispaksati to što.
He hugs me here and he whispers in my ear, I only did that because I really like you. I have no idea what that meant at the time. It was great television.
Not a reaction to that Super Bowl commercial?
What Super Bowl commercial? All look alike.
Floggy, you're exactly
all
right.
black and famous.
You
but
are
we all don't look
guilty.
alike.
I am guilty.
He's a reporter for this station.
Flog.
And you don't know the difference.
I am guilty.
He's a reporter for this
Flog.
Ovaj iz Hollywooda on se udario.
You don't know the difference between
I know. My mistake.
You saw the results of the Senate investigation into Microsoft's tax affairs, and the allegation that about $4 million worth of taxes a day wasn't being paid because of the way that Microsoft managed their affairs.
Znači ovaj tam batica govori nešto oko Microsoftu I to, a on je izmislio doslovno Microsoft I vidi ga što neće da početi plakati.
I think that's about as incorrect a characterization of anything I've ever heard.
It was the allegation that was made?
No, it's just simply hogwash.
Okay, which aspect is hogwash?
The idea that Microsoft didn't pay its taxes.
It's not that Microsoft didn't pay taxes, it's that they...
Znači, Bill Gates, znači, on uporno želi ovako, ništa, dok ovaj još postavlja pitanje.
Could have paid more
I
taxes.
na kraju će ga Bill Gates zatvorom podao.
Voluntarily?
Yes, by choosing to organize their affairs differently rather than running them through Puerto Rico.
Yeah, your numbers are just completely wrong. So, you know, the rules
Bill Gates izvlači dok ovaj još postavlja pitanje.
are set. I paid more taxes than any individual ever, and gladly so. I should pay more, but I paid over $6 billion in taxes.
How do you persuade people that it's their political or moral duty to pay more tax in order that there can be some sort of redistribution?
You make sure that they follow the law and pay their taxes. If they don't, you put them in jail. It seems to work.
Bill Gates, thank you very much.
Times that the people who have...
Ona je rekao, Ona je rekao, ako neko ne plaća poreza, da ga odmah strpaju u zatvor.
Yeah, it seems to work.
Ja slušaj.
Bill Gates, thank you very much.
You make sure that they follow the law and pay their taxes. If they don't, you put them in jail. It seems to work.
I kaže, to ću uspjeti. Ništa se ne vrnite.
Bill Gates, thank you very much.
I onda to, hvala vam lijepo.
Times that the people who have followed in your footsteps,
Sada je Paris Hilton, to je ova garant.
like Kim Kardashian, are overshadowing you.
Ne znam ko ona stan Paris Hilton sam zove. Paris Hilton stan. Je modna. Aha, ona je modna kreatorica, okej. Dobro, nema se. Okej, ja ću da izrešim
About your
ovaj dio.
moment having passed.
Okej, sad.
You want to wrap up?
When I was curious about one thing.
Kanye West caught in an on-camera confrontation with a photographer at LAX. He's sparred with paparazzi before, but this one got physical fast. The big question now, will it lead to a criminal charge? ABC's Lindsay Davis has the details.
Despite the paparazzo's plea,
No, come on, Kanye, be cool, man.
Kanye lost his cool Friday at the Los Angeles airport after a photographer who reportedly refers to himself as Dano continued to hound him.
No, come on, Kanye, I don't want to fight with you.
Get me in trouble. Process them off. You have to pay you like $250,000.
Watch moments later as Kanye lunges at the photographer and records the entire incident. Photos capture the dramatic confrontation. This one of Kanye apparently trying to wrestle the camera out of the paparazzo's hands. And here, Kanye appears to put the paparazzo in a headlock. Now watch again from the perspective of another photographer. Perhaps an instance of life imitating art.
Ovo neki reper garant, ali on je bacanje normalno.
A song New Slaves from his new album that debuted at #1 on the charts last month, he sings,
So go and grab the reporters so I can smash it.
Ja ću copyright.
Give me a fucking break. 1 minute left. 1 minute fucking left. You're gonna give me fucking 1 minute? Look at that fucking sign right there. 1 minute.
The fuck?
right there. 1 minute.
What? Šta se desilo?
Let me fucking tell you something.
Ovaj psuje kokočijaš, ne znam zašto lik sam počeo psovat bez razloga.
Tell you something. I've been around since fucking 1980 fucking 8. And you're gonna give me 1 fucking minute? You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Ovaj Garen želi neki odmor, ali fanovi mu ne daju, želi da čuju pjesmu, evo ti ako je na koncertu pa treba svirat, a ne tako. Give me just 1 fucking minute! Brate, mili.
You're fucking kidding me! What the fuck? I'm not fucking Justin Bieber, you motherfuckers! You gotta be fucking joking! It's a fucking joke! I got 1 minute left. Oh, now I got nothing left. Now I got nothing left. Let me show you what 1 fucking minute fucking means.
What the fuck? What the... Okay, let me...
One minute. God fucking love you all. We'll be back.
I baca kao baci mikrofon, izređo, znači rage quit, znači slomio gitaru, baci mikrofon, rage quit. To je to, ljudi. Ako vam se svidio video, ostavite like, ne zaboravite da se subscribe-ite. Poznati ljudi, koji, koji i mi se vidimo u sljedećoj epizodi. Pozdrav!